Hi, welcome to John's Jeep Garage. It's another quick video on a sand recovery on a car in San Luis Pass, Galveston Island. This car, young couple was camping and in the morning realized their situation, front wheel drive, got caught up in the deep sand and then tried to maneuver back and forth and wasn't able to do it. And this is why it's so important, and they had it, but this is why it's so important to carry a shovel with you if you ever go camping, especially around beach areas, or if you're somebody who is into recovery, you're gonna realize you need a shovel in your toolkit. And I suggest a camping shovel. They're foldable, they're compact, and they can configure to different directions. So watch this video and you'll see what we mean. Thank you.
San Luis Pass, Galveston Island, West End. And if you go there on the weekends, you're going to find people fishing, you're going to find people enjoying the beach as well as camping. And we ran across a car that needed some help. This couple woke up and saw their car in the situation. Yeah, because that's probably need to do some, just get you out right there. Need to do a little shovel work. You can see where this car's grounded out. Even the bumper was dragging and creating a little bind. Yeah, we definitely need a shovel. I had a folding camping shovel, which I always carry with me, and he actually had a shovel as well. And so we cleared out that whole front, so we had a nice pathway as well as we could see underneath on what we were connecting to. So we used a strap around a frame piece and a control arm, and then we used the winch. It's the best thing to use in a situation like this versus trying to yank and pull. Just slow and steady. That's really what we're trying to do, and monitoring it the entire time. Once clear, he just disconnected and we were good.
Perfect. All right, good job. We're out. All right, that's a wrap. 2 quick points. Number 1, you see how important it is to always have a shovel in your toolkit, not only if you're the person that is going out and adventuring and just trying to have fun, but if you are a person who is into recovery and recovering vehicles, shovel, foldable camping shovel is probably one of the best tools you can ever have. And you want to take the time, you want to put the work in to make sure it's clear enough to one, see your connection points, because there are things you do not want to connect to, and number 2, clear the path so you can reduce risk to damage of that vehicle. All right, we appreciate you watching our channel, and hopefully you liked it. If you did, please consider subscribing. Thank you.